chicken barbecue, my bihon, pancit for long life, fried chicken, and rice. Let's do a mukbang food. It's hot. It's a lot of food. It's okay. Yes, yeah. Try it. Want some noodles? In Philippines, it's called for a long life. So I said, why are you too long?
Went to bank, went to put gas, went to fill my hair, went to outlet,
What are you doing an outlet?
then went to my bank.
What are you doing an outlet?
I'm buying potato.
It's more there. I mean, it's good there than in.
It's cheaper.
But it's good.
There was no line for this one.
Oh really? So that's too much people. Huh? You can have this one. You can have this half. Don't worry, I have enough food.
Okay,
Where did you buy this one?
that one fill my hair.
It's really. Yeah, you're too long.
Sorry, Zena, sorry.
Okay, not too. I like how they cook the noodles today. Than the other day. Before, there's no soy sauce.
Just bring this one, it's fresh.
What? Oh really?
Because there was nothing there.
Oh
She
wow.
told me to wait.
Oh wow, really? Today is Monday? Monday, right?
That's why nobody there.
Yeah, but Thursday and Friday, Saturday during weekend, oh my god.
Yeah, they're gathering. Did you see them in parking lot?
It's too much?
No, the time when we went.
Yeah. Then my dessert.
My dessert.
You're my dessert. You're a beautiful beau. I forgot your name. What's your name? When I eat tasty food, I forgot your name. I forgot my husband's name. I need your birth certificate. I like the behon. Kanon. Lagi ako kanon. No, rice, I mean. Just put there. Oh, put none there. None there. Yeah. You want some?
Put.
Guys, dinala pa namin yung rice cooker.
I don't eat this one.
Because I have my noodles. So, I have my noodles. It's a lot. Give me. Bite. I need some bite. That's enough.
Is that your vegetable? No.
It's Mexican vegetable.
Oh, the celery? Celery.
You want some noodles?
I'm fine. Almost done.
Better we go in Philippine store during Monday since people are working. Not much people. And we don't have to fall in line.
Okay.
Kapag kumakain yung asawa ko, frozen. This is my husband, how he eats barbecue. Twisted and frozen. Product Johnson. Pinoy na Pinoy yan. Eating by hands. Yummy, Asawa? So do you think you can live in Philippines?
Yes, of course.
Are you sure that you want to live in Philippines? You have only you eat noodles and rice every day.
It's fine with me.
It's fine with me. It will put me pressure if you come with me in Philippines. Every day looking food for you though.
Pressure.
Guys, yung asawa ko tapos na siya kumain pero tignan nyo.
No pressure. I'm done, Asawa.
Okay, you want water? Here, tissue.
Better cold.
You're juicy. The cold is in the outside.
In the kitchen.
Okay. I'm done also. I will be done soon. Can you please turn it off? Please?
This one?
Yeah. Thank you. Tapos na siya. Tingnan mo yun. Tingnan nyo guys. So, paano kumain yung asawa ko ng kanin. Yan. Tapos na daw siya. Pero tingnan niyo guys. This is how he eats. Pag kumakain yan, pag sabi ko sa kanya, pag parang kumakain ka na parang ibon. Kasi, pag kumakain siya, nilagay lang niya dito. Ito, ayaw yung mga end. Kasi sabi niya matigas daw. Tigas, parang wala siyang ngipin. Yan siya, yan. Yan siya. Ganyan siya pag kumakain. Ito sa kanya to linagay niya sa pinggan ko. Bumili lang kami ng pagkain sa labas. Tapos nagluluto lang ko ng kanin dito. Kasi minsan yung kanin nila hindi maganda. Minsan sobrang tubig, minsan naman hindi masarap. Iwan ko ba? So ayan guys. Patapos na rin ako. Alam mo ba ugali nila? Katulad nito. Tapos na ako. Tapos may natitira pang pagkain. Tinatapon nila ito. Pero ako, hindi. I keep this food for later sa dinner ko. Tapos sabi niya, tapon na daw. Kasi hindi na daw yun maganda mamaya. Iba na daw yung lasa. Sabi ko sa kanya, iwan ko sa'yo. Kasi para sa akin, masarap pa din yan. Magginaw nga lang siya, but may microwave naman, so why not coconut, diba? So yan lang siya, ganyan siya. Ganyan sila dito, hindi lang yung asawa ko. So, tapos na ako guys. I'm done. Thank you for watching. So, may natira pa ako ditong bihon. Maliit lang yung nakain ko kasi naparami ako ng pagkain today. So, mamaya naman yan ng dinner or kinabukasan yung matitira. So, diba? Sabi ko sa asawa ko, sanay ako kumain ng tira-tira. Hindi lang tira sa ibang tao, kundi yung pamilya lang. Okay, save for this for tomorrow. Save for this for next time. For next day, yang kami doon sa bahay sa Pilipinas. So, yan guys. We'll just keep it for later. Tsaka ito din. Thank you so much.